Hello, loves, and welcome back to another plan with me. This is our third one this year / this month. If you guys are new here, welcome. So this week I decided to use one of our new kits that has not been released yet. This is our L'Aventure kit in the hobo format. These kits will be available tomorrow in shop. New releases will start tomorrow. I'm so excited to use this kit. Oh, I just love it. Okay, I'm just gonna pull out my Hobonichi Cousin from my Ivy planner cover. So those of you who didn't watch last plan with me video, this is our monthly kit. I was just so tired of don't know what to do with the monthly spread, so I decided to just make a kit, and I just loved how it turned out. This was our last week's spread. Also, we'll put the link of the video down below. Okay, let's get started. So we're planning the week of January 17th to January 23rd. I usually start with my full boxes first, but this time I'm gonna try doing the date headers first. When I place my full boxes, I like to put washi on top and the bottom just to add a little border for the full boxes. It just makes it pops out a bit more. Before I set my full boxes for my weekend, Saturday and Sunday, I decided to pull out my weekend banner sticker here. As you can see, it's lovely die cut and everything. And to place it in the planner before I do the full boxes, because I find many times the last few weeks when I did it, I know where to put the pretty stickers. So right now, I'm just making a spot for it. Okay, and now let's just finish the full boxes. After the full boxes are done, I'm going to start doing my to-do section. Sit by myself, talking to them. And once all my to-do section is done, I go on to my todays. Ooh, it's turning out very nicely. Okay, so lastly, we're gonna work on the sidebar. And finally, I'm gonna use some of my functional boxes, half boxes, quarter boxes to highlight my daily events that is happening this week. Oh, I love how this turned out. It's always so nice and clean before you ink it, I find. But yes, alas, we do need to ink it up, so I'll be right back. So I had filled it out as much as I can. Still not sure what's happening this weekend, but we will tell when the week goes on. But yeah, I love, love, love how this week looks. I've been also contemplating if I should do like a sit down full on plan with me, meaning no voiceover and just talking through the camera. But I find those videos are just too long because I take a long time to plan. Comment down below and let me know what you think. But anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!